The WP Security Minute for February 13, 2025. On Tuesday, the developer of the 300,000-plus install WordPress plugin Fluent SMTP emailed users of the plugin about the latest update to the plugin. While the developer said that it was another noteworthy update, they neglected to come clean about the security problems being addressed. They failed to note that a third-party library they updated had been publicly known for 21 months to be vulnerable. With another library, they stated that they updated it to ensure secure email sanitization and safer HTML rendering. They didn't disclose that it contained 2 vulnerabilities disclosed by the developer of the library back in October. The failure to address those vulnerable libraries sooner clashes with a claim on their website that they have a dedicated security partner to ensure Fluent SMTP won't make your website vulnerable. The security partner, PatchStack, had failed to detect those vulnerable libraries. The first vulnerable library was detected with the Plugin Security Scorecard tool, and the second by WordPress security provider Plugin Vulnerabilities. The situation highlights the need for better monitoring of usage of third-party libraries in WordPress plugins.